Hello and welcome. In this worked example, we're considering the acceleration of free fall on the planet Pluto, and it's only 0.66 meters per second squared. We know that an object weighs 6.0 newtons on Earth. What would this object weigh on Pluto? What is weight? Weight is mass times the acceleration due to gravity. So we're given the weight 6 newtons. On Earth, gravity accelerates things 9.81 meters per second squared. That's the same thing as saying there's 9.81 newtons acting on each kilogram of matter that rests on Earth's surface. When we divide each side by 9.81 newtons per kilogram, the newtons cancels, or in kilograms of mass. Remember that mass is an intrinsic property of a substance. It's like how much matter it's made up of. So it doesn't matter if this object is on Earth or on Pluto, it possesses the same amount of matter, which we'll calculate now. There's a different influence of gravity on that matter depending on where we are in the universe. And so with Pluto having a weaker gravity field, the weight won't be as great as it is on Earth. So 6 divided by 9.81 allows us to deduce the mass, which is the same everywhere in the universe for this object, 0.6116 kilograms, whether it's on Earth or Pluto or Jupiter or anywhere else. It has that many kilograms of mass, that amount of matter. We can plug this back into the weight equation to solve for the weight, using the given information that the acceleration due to gravity on Pluto is 0.66 meters per second squared. Remember that a Newton per kilogram and a meter per second squared are both good ways of expressing the strength of a gravity field. So I still have this number in my calculator, 0.6116 times 0.66, and I get a weight of 0.4. 0.4 newtons. So something that weighs 6 newtons on Earth would only weigh 0.4 newtons, 0.40 newtons on Pluto. So choice A. Take care not to move your decimal place around, because it looks like choice C here is if you have something off by an order of 10, maybe you forgot to multiply by 10 here or whatever it might be. All right, so choice A for this one. An object that weighs 6 newtons on Earth would only weigh 0.4 newtons on Pluto, because its gravity field is only 0.66 meters per second squared compared to Earth's 9.81. This is Dr. Schleif, still living the physics life, and we'll see you next time.